Now, a question for you. Have you ever seen a meteorite shower? If not, tonight could be one of the best chances you're likely to get. In a clear, dark sky, you could see up to 100 shooting stars each hour as the Geminid meteor shower reaches its peak. Well, let's get more on this now with Gert Berendsen, who's with the International Meteor Organisation at Armagh Observatory. He joins us now from Belfast. Thank you for your time tonight. This is an annual event. Are the conditions right for people to get a really good view?
Well, the conditions this year are absolutely amazing because we have a new moon, and as you said, you need a very dark sky to see these meteors. And because we have this new moon, the sky should be very dark tonight if the weather would clear.
What actually causes the meteor shower?
So a meteor is a streak of light in the sky. It's very fast, just 1 or 2 seconds. And these meteors are caused when a particle of dust, this could be a pebble or a grain of sand, it hits the atmosphere of the Earth. And now this happens at speeds up to 160 miles per hour, which is a phenomenal speed. And this phenomenal speed causes a huge friction in the higher layers of the atmosphere, which causes this very nice light phenomenon.
And I understand that no special equipment is needed to see this beyond our own very specialised eyes.
No, in fact, the human eye is an amazing instrument. And in fact, given the big, wide field of view that we have with our eye is actually better suited to observe these meteors than even expensive cameras in the shops. We have a great instrument.
There's something quite primal almost about these sort of events that attract people who don't normally sky gaze to go out and have a look, isn't there? Yeah,
definitely. It is absolutely beautiful, especially the Geminid meteor shower, because these particles are a bit denser than many other meteor showers, which means that the particles penetrate a bit deeper in the atmosphere of the Earth, which causes very bright and sometimes even colorful meteors, which are absolutely beautiful.
And I understand that apart from tonight, you can actually see this meteor shower potentially right through to Tuesday.
Yeah, what happens is that the Earth moves through a trail of debris which was left behind by the break of a comet many thousand years ago. And we move through this trail over several days, but tonight is the big maximum. Tonight we move through the densest parts of this trail.
So is there a particular area that people have a best chance of seeing this meteor shower, or is the probability of someone seeing it pretty much equal right across the UK?
Well, we can actually see this meteor shower very nicely all over the world. And in fact, we have observers tonight in all countries, the US, UK, Australia, Japan, sending us data. Even countries, we have observers in Iran, in China, in Israel, and we all collaborate to see this. Now, it doesn't matter where you are, but you need clear skies, you need a very dark sky, so you need to be well away from light pollution. And very important, you need to relax yourself, you need to have your full concentration on the sky. So ideally, you would lie down on a camping bed. Now, it is quite cold outside, so this requires some dedication.
OK, well, I don't know if we'll take it to those lengths, but we'll certainly be having a look at the skies tonight. Gert Berendsen from Armagh Observatory, thank you very much indeed. I think I'll be taking a look up at the sky when I leave work tonight, yes.
Right, let's take a look at what the weather's doing. Nick Miller has the forecast for us.
We need clear skies, of course, to see those meteors. Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, they have to be out of the fog, though, to get the best view of that. Elsewhere, there is some cloud around. There's also a touch of frost once again and some fog patches. Even some light rain for some of us, which turns more extensive during the day tomorrow on another cold-feeling day. Now, where that rain is at the moment, well, you won't be able to see the meteors in Yorkshire, stretching through Lincolnshire into the Midlands. Either side of that, though, breaks in any cloud cover, allowing a colder night in the far southeast than we've had recently. Frosty again for Northern Ireland and Scotland, though in the far north of Scotland temperatures lift up as the night goes on, as cloud increases and we see some outbreaks of rain moving in here. But a chilly start for most in the morning and a rather grey, misty, murky one with further outbreaks of rain northern and eastern areas, but this becoming a few spits and spots of rain central and western parts as well during the day. The very far southeast, though, should stay dry and bright. Some holes in the cloud in southwest Scotland, 4 or 5 degrees generally, but a milder day than we've had recently in northern Scotland. But as the week goes on, it will be turning even colder, especially by Thursday.